part 2 with a cowboy sneezes like this. Sometimes when you are a cowboy, this is part 2. You have to sneeze like this, achoo, achoo, and you know why you have to sneeze like this. Like, you might have to do it like a million times, like this, achoo, achoo, achoo. But never, ever, ever sneeze like that. Yeah, yeah. If you sneeze a million times like this, achoo, 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 and don't do that. Never, ever, no. Please never do it. Yeah. Achoo, 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 and mostly of the time of the cowboy that sneezes like this. Achoo! 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 You have to sneeze it like, let's see, like 1,000 of times like this. Achoo! 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 Choo! Choo! Achoo! Choo! 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 Achoo! Choo! 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 Achoo! Choo! Achoo! 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 And mostly, when you are a cowboy, you have to ride on a horse like this. Yes. And mostly, when you are a cowboy, you have to rattle to get a cow like whatcha. Yeah. And yeah. And I will see you later. Put something down in the comment section. Please, please help me.